So this is question of GATE 2019, and it says that in the circuit shown Vs is a square wave. So this is a Vs and it is a square wave of period t. So its time period is t with maximum and minimum values of 8 volt and minus 10 volt. So this is 8 volt and this is minus 10 volt respectively. Now we have to assume that the diode is ideal. So this diode is ideal and the resistances R1 is equal to R2 is equal to 50 ohm. So these resistances are equal. So we have to find the average value of VL, that is we have to find the average value of this voltage. Now in the positive cycle, the N terminal of the diode is connected to the positive of the voltage source. So in the positive cycle the diode will be off. In positive cycle of voltage source Vs, the diode will be off because the N terminal of diode is connected to positive voltage. So in the positive cycle the diode is off. So the circuit will consist of a voltage source whose maximum value is 8 volt and this resistance is 50 ohm and this resistance is 50 ohm. So during the positive cycle this 8 volt voltage source will get divided equally between this 50 ohm and this 50 ohm. So VL is equal to 4 volt in the positive cycle. Now in the negative cycle, the N terminal of the diode is connected to the minus 10 volt because the minimum value of the voltage is minus 10 volt. So the N terminal of the diode is connected to minus 10 volt. So the diode will be replaced by a short circuit. So we can replace, because the diode will be forward bias, so we can replace the diode with a short circuit. Because the N terminal of the diode is connected to the negative of 10 volt, so we can replace the diode with a short circuit. So VL will be equal to minus 10 volt in this case. So VL will be equal to minus 10 volt in this case. So we can draw the waveform of the voltage VL in this way, because in positive cycle VL is plus 4 volt and in negative cycle VL is minus 10 volt. So the voltage of VL will be like this: 4 and minus 10. So from 0 to t by 2 the value of VL is 4 volt, and from t by 2 to t the value of VL is minus 10 volt. So we have to find the average value of VL. So how to calculate the average value is we take the total area and divide it by the total time. So the total area will be equal to 4 into t by 2. And this will be minus 10 into t by 2 and divide by the total time. So this will be equal to 4t by 2 minus 10t by 2. So minus 6t by 2 and divide by time. So t and t will get cancelled and this will be equal to minus 3 volt. So the average value will be equal to minus 3 volt. Because it is plus 4 for half cycle and minus 10 for the other half cycle. So the average value will be equal to minus 3 volt. So the correct answer is minus 3, because volt is already given in the question. So the correct value of VL is minus 3 volts. So this was the fill in the blank. So it was a very easy question. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and best of luck for exams.